Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add sound effect to your TikTok video. Let's start. At first you have to open the TikTok app. After that just tap on the plus icon. In here you guys can tap and record a video, or you can tap on upload. For example, I'm gonna upload this one. Then tap on next. After that, tap on edit at the top right corner of your screen. And then in here, you can just tap on sound. And after that, you can see sound effect. Tap on here. Right there, you guys can see a lot of effects. According to their categories, you can scroll like this and find a lot of categories. Choose any of them according to your choice and then tap on the sound effects. You can hear it by tapping on the sound effect, and you guys can also tap on the bookmark to add it to your favorites list, so that you can use it next time. If you don't like the sound effect, then tap on another one, or tap on twice to stop the sound effect. After that, you can use it by tapping on use, and then you can also trim it like this. And then you guys can also tap on here and hold it and put it where you want to add it. And also you guys can use a lot of sound effects by tapping on add sound effects, and then use another sound effect according to your choice and put it where you want to. Then you guys can add sounds. For example, I'll choose this one. Then you can use this sound with the sound effect. You can also hear it by tapping on here. This is the way to add sound effects to your TikTok video. After that, just tap on save and it will be saved, and then you guys can post it by tapping on next. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.